Do you really know what meditation is? Meditation is the turning inwards of your consciousness. This turning inward and involution of your consciousness is the central purpose for meditating. All the benefits you experience as a result of meditating are a byproduct of meditating. One of the byproducts of meditating, and also a benchmark, is the silencing of your mind. It's like graduating from high school. In effect, meditation is the silencing and disciplining of the mind so that other processes can engage. There are three main criteria defining meditation. Number 1, stillness. Number 2, an involution of your consciousness and the resultant internalization of your senses. Number 3, using a device to help stabilize and train your consciousness. That device may be the breath, a mantra or phrase, or a chakra, which is a center of energy that acts as a point of involution for your consciousness to move deeper towards its source. This inward involution of consciousness called meditation is about consciousness knowing itself. Now, if you meditate and want to enhance your meditation process, or want to learn more about meditation, stick around by subscribing below and click on all to receive all content as it happens. Thanks for watching.